Welcome viewers. Today we will discuss one of the important topic for competitive examination, that is profit and loss. Before discussing the problems related to profit and loss, we will discuss few important terms related to profit and loss. So we start today profit and loss. The terms are CP, that is the cost price, SP, selling price, MP, marked price, profit, that is equal to selling price minus cost price. For example, the cost price of this pen is rupees 10 and selling price of this pen is rupees 12. Then we have a profit, and profit is selling price minus cost price, that is 12 minus 10 equal to 2 rupees. Similarly, loss, that is equal to cost price minus selling price. So profit occur when selling price is greater than cost price, and loss occur when cost price is greater than selling price. The next important term is discount. Discount is always calculated on mark price. For example, if the price of this pen, mark price of this pen is 10 rupees and the selling price is 8 rupees, so discount is mark price minus selling price. So discount 10 minus 8, that is equal to 2 rupees. Now the other important terms are profit percent. Profit percent. Profit percent is calculated by profit upon cost price. Profit percent is always calculated by on cost price. Profit upon cost price into 100. Loss percent is equal to loss upon cost price into 100. Discount percent is equal to discount upon mark price into 100. So these are some few terms which we discuss in the problems. So if we purchase this pen, if the cost price of this pen is 10 rupees and selling price is also 10 rupees, then we have no profit and no loss. So first condition is no profit, no loss. Then selling price means 100% of cost price, because 10 रुपये अगर इस पेन का कॉस्ट है और 10 रुपये ही इसका सेलिंग प्राइस है, सो वी गेट नो प्रॉफिट एंड नो लॉस. लेकिन जो सेलिंग प्राइस होगा that is same as the cost price, it means 100% of cost price. If 1% profit. If we get 1% profit, if we earn 1% profit by selling some articles, then the selling price is 100% ऑफ कॉस्ट प्राइस के ऊपर 1% और हमने प्रॉफिट किया, बिकॉज नो प्रॉफिट नो लॉस मीन्स सेलिंग प्राइस इज इक्वल टू 100% ऑफ कॉस्ट प्राइस. अगर 1% प्रॉफिट हुआ, इट मीन्स सेलिंग प्राइस इज 101% ऑफ कॉस्ट प्राइस. सिमिलरली 2% प्रॉफिट, अगर हम कोई आइटम सेल करते हैं, उस पर 2% का प्रॉफिट हुआ, इट मीन सेलिंग प्राइस इज 102% ऑफ कॉस्ट प्राइस. इफ वी गेट 5% प्रॉफिट, it means it is equal to selling price is equal to 105% of cost price. If similarly 10% profit, if we earn 10% profit, then selling price is 110% of cost price. If we similarly, if we get 50% profit, then the selling price is 150% of cost price. If we get 100% profit, then selling price is 200% of cost price. Similarly, if we get 1% loss, then selling price is, it means 100%, 10 रुपये अगर इसका कॉस्ट है और एक रुपया का अगर नुकसान होता है, इसका मतलब सेलिंग प्राइस क्या हुआ, 9 रुपीज़. तो लेस होगा 100%, जितना हमने इन्वेस्ट किया था, जितना उसका कॉस्ट था, हम उतना भी अचीव नहीं कर पाए. इट मीन्स इन दैट केस इफ 1% लॉस, देन सेलिंग प्राइस इज 100 minus 1, 99% ऑफ कॉस्ट प्राइस. इफ 2% loss, then selling price is 98% of cost price. If 5% loss, then selling price is 95% of cost price. If 10% loss, then selling price is 90% of cost price. In case of discount, if we get 10% of discount, it means in that case selling price is 90% of mark price. If we get 20% of discount, then selling price is 80% of mark, because discount is always calculated on mark price. If 30% of discount, then 70%, selling price is 70% of mark price. If 99% discount, then it is 1% of mark price. If 100% discount, then it means free. So 10% discount. Now we discuss some problems related to profit and loss. So let us consider some example. Cost price in rupees, profit percent, and selling price. So example number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let us consider that cost price of an article is rupees 400 and we get 30% profit. We have to find the selling price. Cost price is 500, profit is 70%. We have to find the selling price. Cost price is 600, profit is 40%. We have to find the selling price. Similarly 700, profit is 20%. So we have already consider that we have already discussed that if cost price is X rupees and profit, we earn some profit, then selling price is 100 plus 30, because cost and cost price, we get the cost price as well as we earn some more amount, more percent. So 100% we have already achieved and 30% we more achieve, so total is 100 plus 30, that is selling price is 130%.